Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove the open to work banner from your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started right now. First and foremost, LinkedIn is a social media where you can contact employers, or where if you are an employer you can contact potential employees for potential employment in a company. Or you can just simply grow your network of people that you are interested in communicating with in regards to business in the same field as you. And of course you can use it as well as a online portfolio or a CV or a resume, so that employers have an easier time of actually finding you and actually seeing who you are, what you do, and if you are qualified for the job or not. And one way that you can search for a job is to add a open to work banner on your LinkedIn profile, which you probably have already done if you're looking at this tutorial. This just signifies that you're looking for a job and potential employers can contact you for work. Now, to actually remove this, what you want to do is go into your profile by clicking the Me button, clicking on View Profile, and you'll be taken to your profile. And as you can see, I have the open to work banner. To remove this, what you want to do is just click on your profile icon and click on frames. Once you're here, you can click select the open to work frame, the hiring frame, or just the original. This means that you are not looking for work and that you're just existing on LinkedIn as a person. And that is pretty much it. Select the original, click apply, and remove open to work from profile. And that is pretty much it. When you click save, these changes will be saved. By refreshing your account, you will see that it is indeed saved. And that has been it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.